Guess this has become a parts room. CVFAB intercooler and old new downpipe. Cobb tuners here. See that? Cobb tuning. And the thing that's gonna help out the most, because we couldn't even hear the car in the dyno. Circuit Concept exhaust just got here today. And those are some huge tips. What says you? Should I grab the polisher and sand and polish up this whole exhaust and put on? Probably not, because it's a daily driver. But I may do that and that. We'll see how it turns out. All I'm really going to use to do this is the Adams. There it is. Adams Premium Car Care metal polish on my dual action with a polishing sponge. I'm not even going to sand it. I'm just going to do it the cheap and boring way and see how it turns out. So stay with me. Start it out slow. Then we can speed it up. Well, I don't know about you. I think that's worth 5 minutes with the polisher. Clean up the stainless. Pretty nice. So that's, I like the brush look. So that's what we're gonna go with. I'm just gonna do the other one, and the tips will look real nice on there. That's to be 4 or 5 whole minutes of polishing. That's after. Now, obviously, if you wanted to throw some 600, 1200, 1500, 2000 grit sandpaper on there, you can polish it out to a glass finish, incredibly mirror shiny. Now, if this is going on a show car, I just might do that for shits and giggles, but it's on my daily driver and it sees rain like every day, so there's really no point. But I just wanted to show you how easy this was to clean it up and make it look all nice to go on the car.